Hi guys, welcome. In this video we shall see the deployment of OpenStack through MicroStack. So what are the prerequisites for you to install the MicroStack in your machine? So I will be going through the single node deployment. That is, it is a snap based installation, and basically we need 16 GB of minimum RAM, and it should be a multi-core, and we must provide a 50 GB of disk space, and Ubuntu can be 18.04 or later versions. So for that we need to create a virtual machine. So I will be using VMware, where we can create a virtual machine. So basically we need one ISO image. I have downloaded the Ubuntu 20.04 from official website, that is ubuntu.com/downloads desktop. So here you can download the Ubuntu ISO image, and here you download the VMware workstation player. And if you want pro, then you can go with the pro version, and if you want virtualbox, it is also fine. So I will be using VMware workstation. So first we need to create a virtual machine. So I will be selecting the typical one. So click on next. See, I have already selected the Ubuntu 20.04 version, that is ISO image. So let it be. So then click on next and give the name as MicroStack, and let the username be G1 and password be admin and admin. Click on next, and virtual machine name be like it is MicroStack. Let me take to another. So click on next, and they have mentioned of minimum size of 50 GB. So I'm giving 50 GB. Let it be a single disk. Then click on next. So customize the hardware, because we need minimum of 16 GB RAM. So I'm giving 16 GB RAM, and processor it is asking for multi-core. So I'm total 4 cores. So if I want like custom, you can specify any other. So like, what are the minimum configurations we need is here, 16 GB RAM with multi-core and minimum space of 50 GB. That's it guys. So then I'm closing. Okay, give finish. So guys, finally the installation is complete. So we can log into our virtual machine. So in the next part, we will be exploring with the MicroStack commands. So thank you guys. So meet you in the next part of the video. Thank you.